wonderful good morning. Better. I have kind of packed. It's still super messy, but it's already much better than before. I am heading to breakfast now. Very, very unusual for me having breakfast in a hotel. Actually, I try to avoid breakfast in a hotel because I would like to eat something outside because it's more like local thing. But today I'm heading to the next destination, even though I cannot reach it. I know it already. Yeah, I will just have breakfast and then maybe I can ride a bit longer because I won't be hungry so fast or too soon. Okay, it's the last few straps here to attach that to the bike. And then I am ready to go. Yeah, earplugs. Very important. So this is pretty much the last outskirt part of Athens. And this looks a bit like desert. It reminds me of the Gorafi Desert. I'm excited what this will how this will show off. So we are now in the middle of what I saw earlier, what we saw earlier, you too. And half of the trees are dead. Why is that so? Oh, okay, okay, it burned down. Okay, I can see it now. I can't smell it, but oh, the trunks of these trees, they are all black. Okay, that was a bushfire here. But seems not very recent because there's already green stuff here and there and everywhere between. Up to the top over there, it's all dead. It's a nice road actually here. I mean, with the trees, how they look like. It's a bit surreal. Oh, I think this car didn't really made it. Ooh. I think it doesn't work anymore. But these trees are not burned. Or maybe it was another incident. And those are burned? Hey, that's funny, that's weird. Those are also burned, but there are some trees in between that are not burned. But I don't think I can go that fast. Taking a break because I got pretty good news. I took some care of a matter in Athens, which is not bad, huh? So I can have new drone shots, enjoy my ride. Finally, drone shots again is always elevating the video a bit. Yeah, so I'm so glad that I bought the DJI Care Refresh whatever thing there when I got the drone, and I would do that again and again and again. I just filled up here. I actually had still 200 kilometers, so it was more than half full. But today is Sunday and not all petrol stations are open. And if I decide that I want to go to the destination, then I can do it without the fear of not having enough petrol. So yeah, now it's full. That looks so much better. No, I found another road like earlier, countryside road here, but not gravel, it's tarmac. Look how nice it is here. I like the route today a lot. Oh, okay, there is gravel. Even though I selected. Okay, that's, I can forgive it. That's just 20 meters or so. It's so beautiful again. It reminds me of, Italy is probably the wrong word. It's just this Mediterranean thing that is, okay, now it's cloudy, not foresty is the word. We got surprisingly a new piece of off-road, gravel road, I mean. And we got a, wow, this is a nice landscape here, look at this. It's pretty. Oh. This gravel road is a bit rougher than the earlier one, but still all good here. Finally I selected no gravel road, I think I said this earlier, but okay. We are in Greece. Maybe Greece has different standards here. Ui. It's trying to throw me off. Not with me, yeah? Yeah, I can feel now that these tires, they are so different. They are behaving so differently. It's unimaginable actually, because it's just rubber, huh? And this is a gravel road, so it should be kind of similar, but it's not. It's interesting behavior. But so far the overall experience I feel I had now is my personal favorite out of these two. Okay, it's getting rougher and rougher here. Maybe I should switch to off-road just in case the brakes and things acceleration is working properly, or is it could be ending over there already? There's a house. No, almost ending, okay. I'll just go through it. Going left, okay. Car coming up, it's free. Yep, that was a nice, it was probably not a detour, a shortcut. Very well comes the things. I think I haven't recorded any of these villages so far. So that's one of these. It looks very typical. It looks like, yeah, they kind of look all the same style here. Yeah, this is how it looks in a Greek village, or tiny town, or maybe it's a village. It looks beautiful, huh? Oh, that cliff. It's kind of this where I lost my drone. So I was at the edge of the cliff and it was going down with a few trees. So down, no problem, but how to get up and how to survive that. They built a new road, but this one is the older one, the newer one is up there. This view. So later, Because it makes very little sense to arrive not today but tomorrow. If I'm starting tomorrow at 9, I will be arriving there maybe at 11. But then I'm there at 11. So it makes no sense really to do a bit of sightseeing. So I planned to take a bit of highway later. For the last few kilometers, it should save quite a lot of time. Local roads, That's a good name. Destination local roads, okay. Here's the second exit, there. Okay, I turn off for this boring highway stuff. I believe that this is where we are heading, but I don't really know, I'm not so sure. So that I arrived at very latest at 6. So then I have the chance to do some sunset drone shots and sunrise drone shots. Isn't this looking cool? These rocks are out of nowhere. I'm heading to a camping ground. I haven't checked if they have space, but I hope it's just around the corner here. Because this? Wait, this is how it's done here. Just find your place and then later you can do check-in. I think I found my place. But I will take a look first if it's a good spot here. Or maybe there's something better. I changed the place. I think this one is better because this is in the shadow. So downside is it's shadow, but it's next to the pool. But it's shadow and the pool is not open at night, so should be okay. Everything is set up. I will get some food now. Restaurant. They have a restaurant here. Today is Sunday, so it's a bit tricky to get something in the mini market. And the next supermarket is a bit far. And then for sunset is at 9:15 or so p.m. of course. I will go to the actual destination and try to get some nice videos. But that's something for the next episode, I think. So a cliffhanger. Okay, first food and then maybe I will show a glimpse of it. Order is done. Oh, okay. So, I have 1 hour until I need to leave for the sunset shooting. I hope there are a few view spots for sunset, and I believe they are very crowded, but I hope not. Today Sunday should not. Food has arrived. Honestly, 10 euro food in Greek. I expected more. But I mean, not more stuff, just a bit more beautiful. I hope it tastes good. I will try. Honestly, that was better than it looked. But the French fries, he needed 1 more minute. Yeah, anyway, I'm full. Now changing again to motorcycle things and going there. So I'm on the way to a viewpoint. I don't think it's supposed to be this road. It's already better than it was earlier. Yeah, Google got me again. Next time with Phil, now just me. Oh man, oh man. It's pretty much sunset and I don't have time for this. And On Google you cannot select the kind of road, you only can select no toll roads or no highway. It's the only selection that's available. My memory card was full, so most of this is not recorded. Google led me on this road here, actually another road already, and earlier there was a gate. At the end of this road is a gate, and this is closed. It's a huge gate to a property or so, I think. Yeah, I'm on the way to a viewpoint, but Google tricked me here into this, which is technically okay, but only if I can arrive where I want to. And in this case I couldn't because there are roads missing or just the gate that is closed. And yeah, since it looks like a private property, I am not opening it. So yeah, thanks Google for the missed sunset. 200 meter light left turn. Oh, there's the water crossing again here. Whoop, whoop. There's no left. Google, sorry, there's no left. Nothing that I can turn left here. In this small town, before I entered this road, like 10 elderlies, old ladies sitting and looking at me, so hey, why is he going this way? And now I don't even have the answer. I'm passing by there again. Yeah, so embarrassing. I waved at them. Hey, wait, that is... Something is off here. Oops. Why the hell is that a loop? That makes no sense, eh? Seems I need to go back all the way that I actually came from. Hey, I'm maximum annoyed here. This is disaster, eh? So it wanted me to go the exact same way again. But I'm smart, I'm not doing this because I know there's a gate and it's closed. Okay, I need a different plan here. Okay, so I have selected a different viewpoint. And it says 6 minutes, so if that's a good one, then turn right. Haha. Very funny. Very funny. 12 minutes, okay. So it's saying sharp right, and I'm very excited what this will be. This one here? Kidding me? No, I don't think so. No. Oh man, I don't know what is wrong here. Roads that are no roads, it wants me to it's a loop again, it wants me to turn around. Okay, one last destination for now, but I will be, it's 20 minutes, and 20 minutes the sun is gone, so I will be there too late, but I'm there to check for tomorrow morning. If I happen to wake up early, that is possible because I am planning to sleep very soon, then I might find a bit... Oh yeah, I won't say sunrise because it takes half an hour to go there probably, but late sunrise maybe. Oh, this is here los, what's going on here? So many people. Oh, I want to word, it looks so cool. So, bit darker. So I kind of made it, a bit too late. The sun almost gone. Thanks to Google. Stupid. Today it's so stupid. But okay. There's a cloister, monastery, and take a photo with my motorcycle quickly. So I had like not even 5 minutes and the sun is gone. Yeah. We're going to sunrise on the other side, so it doesn't look as good. Tomorrow morning, logically it's on the other side. Anyway, if I wake up early, then I'll try, because there's a mountain behind us. It could be still okay looking, but I do not know. I mean, if I wake up at 6 or so, I don't have anything to do anyway, so I'll just go. Yeah. Thanks again, Google, for this mess. That was actually very long on my bucket list. When I planned this trip, that was one of the very first things that I wanted to go, and Google messed it up, eh? Man, no. From here actually still looks so good. The sunset. Yeah, looks cool. I'll take a quick photo. Okay, I'm heading back to the camping, and then I will try to sleep as soon as possible. That's the plan. So, with this said, I would say just goodbye, thanks for watching, blah blah blah. Ne? You know that.